Well now, here's a funny thing. A box that goes round and around and around on one corner without anybody pushing it. Uncanny, isn't it? Maybe you had one of them. You know, the clever flywheel that turned in all directions but stuck to one point, its center of gravity. The gyroscope can be well demonstrated with a model and sliding counterweight. When exactly balanced, the top swings freely and always points to the same spot, and it resists all efforts to deflect it. To balance a still coin is difficult, but roll it and gyroscopic force keeps it upright. Begging their pardon, cyclists are just a lot of human gyroscopes. The action of riding sets up a resistance or precession, and she stays put. Gyroscopic action keeps shells on a straight course. If gun barrels weren't rifled, this is what would happen. And now watch the difference. The gyro is the only man-made device that makes use of the Earth's rotation, and force applied at any one of these points sets up precession. By adding the correct weight, scientists have made the top turn or precess like the Earth. The result is the non-magnetic compass, and here's the Sperry Master-gyro Compass, the most modern example and a miracle of scientific invention. The rotor or wheel of the gyro is driven electrically. The rest is automatic. As the Earth revolves, the rotor aligns itself so that its axis always points north and south. The master compass controls other instruments in the ship, and one of them is the gyro pilot, which steers the vessel better than any human. Once the course has been set, the compass records any deviation, and the gyro pilot corrects it. The master gyro also operates the course recorder, which automatically traces all the direction changes on a chart. Official restrictions were relaxed for our cameramen to have a peep at the sensitive mechanism in the making, here that the delicate parts are subjected to exacting laboratory tests. These are some of the experts on whose skill the equipment for the British Navy and Air Force depends. Yes, it's in the air too that the gyro pilot plays its part. In principle, the instrument is the same as the marine type, but it operates on 3 axes instead of 1 to control rudder, ailerons and elevator. The instrument instantly detects and corrects the slightest departure from the course and virtually takes over the work of flying the machine. Last but not least, the gyro's big brother prevents seasickness by precessing against the action of the waves, and it's all done by a simple spinning top.